Hello everyone. I Pooja welcome you all on my channel Creative Spirits. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you decoupage art, and for that I have ordered these wooden coasters from the website Itsy Bitsy. From the same website I had ordered the decoupage paper also. The detail of all the products I have used here is there in the description box. Now first of all, just try to have an idea of the design you want on your coasters. After deciding the design, with the help of a brush, I am applying water at the edges of the design and then I'll tear it. We want uneven edges, so do not go for a fine finishing. Let it be rough cutting from the edges. Now once we have got the paper, I'm applying water as it is a normal decoupage paper. It's not a tissue paper, so it's a bit thick. So I'm applying at the back of it water, and with the help of Mod Podge glue, I'm going to stick it on the coasters. We have to be extra careful here to avoid the wrinkles, and for that I'm using this flat fan brush, and from one side to other side I am pasting it in order to avoid the wrinkles. The same process for more coasters. Now with the two similar shades of the design, I'm going to paint the background also. The shade of purple and grey I'm using here at the background also to merge it properly with the design. Blend the shades very carefully and use dauber, or you can use a tissue paper also to avoid the brush strokes. Now you can see how beautifully the design has got merged with the background. And now to highlight the flowers and the leaf, I am painting them with the acrylic colors. Now, the last step is to put a coat of varnish to seal your artwork and to give it a waterproof layering. And here our beautiful artistic coasters are all ready. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel, Creative Spirits. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.